Hi guys, Jess here with Digital Empire, and welcome to VA Handbook Do-It-Yourself Virtual Assistant Course Review. Legit? Well, we're going to find out today. In this video, we're going to look at three things. First, just to give you a full comprehensive review so that you can make an informed decision. Second, is it real? Is it fake? And three, are there other options? For full transparency, I'm not affiliated with this particular program, but if you stay until the end, I have a free gift for you. And if you like videos about internet marketing, please press the like button and subscribe today so that you don't miss any new videos. So why listen to me? I am a former international teacher of 14 years. As wonderful as it was to travel and be an international teacher, at the end of the day, it wasn't something that I could keep doing because I really wanted to be able to help my family. I wanted to be able to make more money. Let's face it, things are just getting more and more and more expensive. And I wanted to be able to be in business for myself where I called the shots and I could still make money and pay off bills and be able to help my family and still be able to take vacations and do everything that I needed to do at the end of the day. And so, 9 to 5, I didn't want to do it anymore. And so I wanted to pursue my own freedom and make my own way and function by my own rules and making my money. And so I tried everything from cryptocurrency. I had my own online shop with Shopify and Amazon. I got involved with various marketing programs and marketing coaching. And so my life changed the day I got onto high ticket affiliate marketing, and I haven't looked back since. It's just been such a lucrative place for me to be because, as you know, affiliate marketing is billions of dollars and it's just continuing to grow each year. And so there's definitely a piece of the pie for everybody. And so, I had some good experiences and I just had some bad experiences prior to really getting into high ticket affiliate marketing. And I'm just here to give you the facts. That's just the facts. That's all you need. And you can make an informed decision with peace without having to, just having everything together and deciding what you would like to invest in and what you would like to run away from. So I'm here to help you figure that out. So let's just jump right in. So who is this for? This is for the entrepreneurial virtual assistant who wants to begin a career in their own business. So what is it exactly? It is a new course for the beginner virtual assistant that wants to learn the basics to lay a foundation on how to run everything. It's very handsome approach, really, and it walks you through step by step with videos, and it's a very nurturing disposition of the instructor that she has. She wants to really help students navigate through the videos and understanding every aspect of the business. So it primarily helps people to, it gives you project support, administrative tasks, technical support, financial upkeep, personal help, and content creation and more. That's what this particular program does. Now, Joanne Moore is the instructor, and she is from Brighton, UK. She's been working in this space, in the VA virtual assistant space, for about the past 15 years. And so she wants to help other virtual assistants establish themselves and set up a business and eventually run their own agency. And so what's inside of the course itself is lesson 1 is before you begin. And this is an intro to the course and it lays a detailed foundation. Lesson 2, the whiz bang productivity calendar. Having an effective calendar will help you manage your workload once you have maintained productivity, and it covers all of this in the course. So first it covers the calendar. The intro calendar, the calendar exercises, batching and delegation, and effective time management. Lesson 3 is establishing your niche and your services. And here you get to analyze your history and your skill sets and identify the places that you're the strongest in and also your weaknesses. And then this helps you to shape your VA business. So some of these lessons will help you work on your skill set, identifying existing niches, a final word of niches, settling your services, who hires VAs and why, and how to do it. So lesson 4 is the money and the legal aspects of the business. In the module, you will learn how to set up your business, and you'll also learn how to invoice and how to get paid and set up bank accounts and manage contracts and data protection, tax, and insurance. You'll also be able to get some help on how to settle your rates and what you want to charge people and all the financial and legal stuff. Lesson 5 has to do with LinkedIn and marketing. And so you want to begin a professional page. This is very imperative as a virtual assistant, as this is where you'll get seen the most. LinkedIn services are powerful networking platforms where you can connect with industry peers, potential employees, clients, and collaborators. And it allows you to showcase your professional background and skills and accomplishments in a structured and accessible manner. And so it just really acts as an online resume for you. And so she'll be covering LinkedIn and how to write your LinkedIn profile, in addition LinkedIn tips. Also, I want to add something that isn't in this PowerPoint. Other areas to get your name out as a virtual assistant are things like Fiverr, and so you can learn how to freelance your business as well too. I know I use VAs through Fiverr a lot for my own business, and so that's also another way that you can get your name out there. Lesson 6, establish your brand. It covers the aspects of brand management for creating sales pages. It manages jobs postings and marketing strategies, as well as handling businesses and branding. And you can get your website sorted. Lesson 7, finding work. She shows you how to navigate through various job postings, landing your first client, and marketing your business. Lesson 8, managing your business. This will help you learn how to effectively engage clients, make them feel comfortable and a smooth onboard transition into the services, and then working with them, staying on track. And then you also have a 6-month business audit to see how you're doing, and then the VA life, and then staying in business consistently. And then, of course, there's an end of course checklist. Lesson 9 is resources, such as there's a do-it-yourself virtual assistant toolbox, which will be covered later inside of the whole course. She'll break it down on how to use it, which includes templates. There's checklists and guides, and also a part of the package along with having access to a private Facebook group where students can engage with each other. So you'll be able to ask questions and basically get different Rockstar discounts into other things as well. So the pros of this entire program is that you get lifetime access, you get an attentive instructor with Joanne, there's plenty of bonuses, and there's a live Q&A weekly. Now the cons of this is that there is no face-to-face events or training. It can be a hefty price tag, and she focuses on the skills you already have versus learning new ones. The cost of the program is a variety of payment options, as you can see on this PowerPoint here. It's based on the exchange rate today as of September. This was September 2023. There's a one-time payment of 731 American dollars, which is a breakdown here, as you can see, 597 British pounds. 2 payments of 367 American dollars, or 3 payments of 244. And then there's 4 monthly payments. And you can see here on this PowerPoint how they're all broken down. There's a one-time payment here, 2 payments, 3 payments, and 4 payments. So you have some options there. There's a 14-day money-back guarantee. And the thing that others have said about this course is that everyone has really great things to say. Overall, it won an award for the VA Choice Award in 2023. So that's good. And so the students are definitely writing great things since she won that award for it. So the verdict is that there's a lifetime access, attentive instructor, plenty of bonuses, live Q&A, but there's no face-to-face events or training, and a hefty price tag, and she focuses on skills you already have versus learning new skills. So I hope that was helpful. Overall, I do think there are other ways to make money. And so as promised, here is a link to my free gift. Here are some advantages of affiliate marketing. You can be working with companies, offering products and services that align with your interests. And by promoting these products and services, a commission is earned. And so by promoting these products, you get your sale. And affiliate marketing really is the easiest and fastest way to make money online right now. And like I mentioned before, it is $1 billion company that just keeps gaining stature each year. And so there's definitely a piece of the pie for everybody. And if you want to start an online business, this is a really good way to do it. And you don't have to exchange time for money being a VA or anything else. You're just strictly, there's different things that you can promote, and it kind of sells itself really. And so a few benefits is that you could be working anywhere from a laptop. I'm here back in Texas visiting my family, and you can work on your own time, and it's a low startup cost. There's no overhead costs for a shop or for a VA program or anything like that. You don't have to do, you don't have to stock products, nothing like that. You don't have to worry about branding as much. And so it's really nice to be able to automate your business and earn potential. And there's no selling and no customer support that you have to worry about. And you can do this on a part-time basis or alongside a full-time job. So press the link below in the pinned comments below this video, and you can get your 3 proven steps to quitting your 9-to-5 job with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Grab it. You'll love it. On here, you'll see the screenshot, and it says three proven steps. You can download your ebook. It's really short. It's a quick read, but it packs a punch, and it's amazing. It's amazing tips, really, to start building your business your way and on your time, and being able to make money the way that will benefit you and your family. So get your free download, and I will see you. Thanks for joining me on the VA Handbook Do-It-Yourself Virtual Assistant Course Review. We will see you on the next episode. Thank you, and have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.